I tried mixing colors but it turned out muddy until I discovered a simple trick that changed everything. It has nothing to do with RGB or CMYK. Let me show you how. I mixed yellow and blue, hoping to get a nice green, but it turned out muddy and dull. To figure out what was happening, I had to make some research and I realized I was using the wrong choice of colors. I tried it the second time and I knew the perfect green. Stick around with me to the end to show you exactly what I learned. I picked out several versions of the primary colors: red, yellow, and blue. Red, I used the scarlet and crimson. For blue, I used the ultramarine, Prussian blue, and cerulean blue. And for the yellow, I used the lemon yellow, mid yellow, and orange yellow. I combined these colors together to see the result I will get by mixing each color with one another. I mixed each blue with each yellow to see the kind of green I would get. I did the same for red and blue to get purple, and yellow and red to get orange. That's when I made a huge discovery. Not all red, yellow, and blue are made the same. Each color leans in a direction. For example, crimson leans to blue, scarlet leans to yellow, lemon yellow leans to blue, ultramarine leans to red, and cerulean blue leans to yellow. When I mix crimson, a red that leans to blue, and ultramarine, a blue that leans to red together, it gives me a clean and nice purple. There is no interference of yellow, just pure red and blue coming together. But when I tried mixing scarlet with ultramarine blue, that is, scarlet is a red that has a trace of yellow in it, ultramarine blue is a blue that has a trace of red in it. It turned out to be a dull dark purple because there is a trace of yellow in the mixture. So here is the key takeaway. To get a perfect clean secondary colors, you need to mix two primary colors that leans towards each other and avoid the ones that introduce the third primary colors into the mixture. Now let's go back to green. Cerulean blue is a blue that leans to yellow, and lemon yellow is the yellow that leans to blue. When we combine these two together, we get a very vibrant green. But if you mix mid yellow, that is a yellow that leans towards to red, and ultramarine blue, that's a blue that leans towards to red, together, you're going to get a very dull and moldy green. This is because we have introduced a higher percentage of red into the mixture. If you want vibrant colors in your painting, you need to pay attention to the choice of colors you mix together. So next time your color turns muddy, don't blame your brush or canvas. Try to look into the choice of colors you are combining. I hope this helped you understand the spirit behind color mixing. If this is helpful to you, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your biggest color mixing mistake in the comment section. See you on my next video.